Hello, today I'm going to be planting up this beautiful basket with some summer flowers. I did receive this basket as a gift and it was full of gorgeous, beautiful spring blooms and I really enjoyed them. Some of them did die, some of them I put out in the landscape and I'm going to be putting one of the ones that were in here back in. So I took everything out and I'm going to line it with a plastic liner. It had more of a straw filler that you fill, gift baskets with. So the water was going through too quickly and I do need to retain some of the water. So I just grabbed a clear plastic shopping bag I had on hand. It was a nice thick one. So I thought this would work really well to line the basket and then try to shape it up to the basket just so that it didn't really show on the sides and formed it a little bit. So once I cut it up and had it around the basket, I made sure to add some holes at the bottom so that the water could drain through. I decided to add back the little bit of straw that they had in there just to make sure that the soil doesn't go through those holes. So I'm adding a yellow begonia that I took out from the front planters because it was too crowded in there. And then I have this spreading petunia that I picked up at Walmart. I think it'll go good in this basket. And this plant was in the basket and it still has some life to it, so I figured I would put it back in here. It'll look really pretty. I really like it. And lastly, I'm adding a geranium that I also picked up at Walmart, and unfortunately I cut it out of the picture, but you'll get to see it in the end. So here's the finished basket, and I made a little corner in the deck and just all these flowers surrounding the basket. These are begonias that I put in that'll flower later in the season, but I also added some geraniums and another of the yellow begonias that I took out from the front planter. But I'm really loving this corner and it looks absolutely beautiful. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.